Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of XLR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
Good evening, all. I hope you all doing good.
Susmita,
Yes, sir. You can take over the class. You can start the session.
yes. Guys, please reply what we discussed yesterday. Any idea what we discussed yesterday? Please reply. Which topic we discussed yesterday? Linked list. Please answer. Linked list. So, the code for single linked list is fine. What is a linked list? Answer. What is a linked list? Is it a linear data structure or random data structure? Answer. Linked list is a linear data structure. Whatever the data structure we have, then that data structure we can call the linear data structure. And another thing, linear data structure, linked list. Linked list contains what? Nodes. Coming to the linked list contains the nodes. Yes or not? And one more point. How many types of linked lists, sir? How many types of linked lists, sir? We have three types of linked lists, sir. First one, can I tell the first one? Single linked list. Answer, what is the first one? Single linked list. Second one, double linked list. Third one, circular linked list. We have one more linked list. That linked list we can call circular linked list. Repeat again. How many types of linked lists, sir? We have three types of linked lists, sir. First one, single linked list. Second one, double linked list. Third one, circular linked list. Got it or not? Fine. Are any other points we discussed? Can you tell the applications of? We can take a Tarun, we can take the both issue. Tarun Kumar, we can use the both issue. Can you tell the application areas of linked lists? Can you tell the application areas of linked lists where we are using the linked lists? We will use linked lists to implement the trees and graphs. And huge number of records, not an issue. And guys, is insertion at a middle. Insertion at a middle. Is it a costlier process in the linked list? Is it a costlier process in the linked list? No. Linked list recommended or not? Linked list recommended. But is it recommended in the queues? Is it recommended in the queues? Insertion at the middle? No. No. Okay, na? Fine. No. Guys, this is a diagram representing which linked list. Whatever the diagram we have. This is a diagram representing which linked list. Single linked list. Whatever the diagram we have, this is a diagram representing the single linked list. Guys, this is a diagram representing what? Whatever the diagram we have, this is a diagram representing what? Double linked list. Whatever the diagram we have, that diagram representing the double linked list. Fine. Next one, and one more thing. One more thing is the here we have the one more diagram. This is a diagram representing what? Circular linked list. Whatever the diagram we have, here we have the diagram that diagram representing the circular linked list. And one more point, guys. Can I write one more program? I want to write one more program. That program is implementation of stacks by using linked list. Stack with the linked list. Yes or not? I think maybe Saida, let me say this one. Maybe in the 3 to 4 days back, we discussed about the stacks. Stack. So, and guys, please put the focus on the class. All the codings I will upload to the drive. Please put the focus on the class only. Don't go for the graph, trees or something. Don't chat like that also. Fancy this one. Guys, I want to implement. I think whatever the important areas are there, then let me cover that important areas. Implement stacks in linked list. Implement stacks in linked list. So how we can implement that? Fine. Can you explain the Taruna? You need that one? I will cover it, Taruna. Taruna, can you please put the focus on the session? Tarun Kumar, please put the focus on the session. Tarun, please put the focus on the session. You need the deletion also, then I will tell it. Fine. Now, go and see this one. Here, how to work on it. For example, guys, today also I'm expecting here everyone need to execute the program. You people need to execute the program along with me. Already you know the stack now. Already you people know the stack. Go and see this one. Already you people know the stack. Guys, whenever we create the stack, at that time, guys, what's the top value? At that time, what's the top value? Top equal to answer anyone. Whenever we create the stack, at that time, what's the top value? Top is the null matter. Top is the null. Empty in the sense -1. Empty in the sense -1 of Srivastav. Empty in the sense by Firoza. Empty in the sense -1. Whenever we create the stack, at that time, top equal to null. Got it or not? Fine. And another thing. One more thing is the see the another thing. I wanted to push one node. See this one. I wanted to push what? Coming to myself, I wanted to push one node. Guys, node divided into how many partitions? Node divided into how many partitions? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me node divided into 2 partitions? First one, data partition. Another thing is the link partition. First one is the data partition, and another thing is the link partition. How we can work it here? See this one here. Assume here this is the temporary node. How to create a temporary node? Node temp equal to new node. Am I right or not? Node temp equal to new node. Guys, how to set the data? Anyone? Tempo dot data equal to 100. Tempo dot data equal to what? Tempo dot data equal to 100 here. Fine. Now, guys, automatically 100 will store or not? Automatically 100 will store or not? Automatically. Say the yes or no. Everyone needed to say the yes or no. 100 will store or not? 100 will store. And one more point. Guys, see this one. This node contains some address na. This node contains some address na answer. This node contains some address. Guys, what is the address we taken? What is the address we taken? Answer. What's the address? Anyone? Reply. What's the address we taken? Address is the 4800. We taken the address again. The address is the 4800. Am I right or not? Fine. Guys, say this one. What is our target? Guys, here we need to fill the address na. Guys, here we need to fill the address na. Guys, can I fill this address here? I want to fill this address here. Think logically. Guys, I want to fill this 4500 here. I want to fill this 4500. Then that is insertion is completed. Feroz, let me know, are you feeling like difficulty? Feroz, are you feeling like difficulty? Feroz, no na? Guys, say this one. Guys, so what is the top initially? Previously, whenever we create the stack, wait. Whenever we create the stack, what is the top? What is the top? Whenever we create the stack, what is the top? Top is the null or not? Once again, guys, top is the null. But still is it a null? No, already one node is there na. So that node contain what address na? That node contain address na? Yes, that address where you want to store? Top. Guys, say this one. Top is the null na. That null we need to store to. That null we need to store to where? That null we need to store to node. So how we can store? How we can store? Temp dot link equal to temp dot link equal to answer. Temp dot link equal to what? Temp dot link equal to null. Guys, top equal to what's the topic here? Top equal to temp na. Top equal to temp or not? Top equal to temp. Fine. Guys, are you people okay, or can I explain the logic again? Are you people okay, or do I need to explain the logic again? Anyone? If anyone asking, I'm ready to explain. We can take other now. Why not? Saida, can you tell your favorite number, Saida? Saida, tell your favorite number. Saida, tell your favorite number. Can you tell your favorite number? Why, Saida, why you are putting your brain on only number like 4,800? Randomly, I'm taking the 4,800, but you are taking the but you are putting the focus on the 4,800. Saida, tell your favorite number. If you tell your favorite number, then I will go for that one. Fine. Guys, assume this is a stack. Boys, this is a stack. Fine. And another point. 24 na Saida, your favorite number is 24. Then because of you, I will place the 24. Now see this one. Is it a stack, Saida? Nehabano, Saida Nehabano. Is it a stack? Yes, sir. Whenever we create the stack, what is the top value? What is the top value? Null. Saida, you need to respond. You are saying like a sir, 5,000, 4,000 something. Like a top equal to null. Fine. Saida, can you explain what is a node? Saida, can you tell what is a node? What is a node? This is the node or not? Assume this one. This is the node. This is a node. Node divided into how many partitions? Node divided into how many partitions? Two partitions. Whatever the node is there, that node divided into two partitions. Okay, na? Fine. This node also contain the address na. Whatever the node is there, this node also contain the address. Everyone need to understand, guys. This node also contain the address. The address suggested by the Neha bomb is the 24. Neha, if someone asking why 24, what's your answer? Neha, if someone asking why 24, what's your answer? Say this one here. Now, address is the sheet or like 24. Fine. Now say this one. How to fill the data here? How to fill the data? Answer. How to fill the data? Anyone? Node. What is the node name? What is the node name? Temp. Equal to what? Equal to new node. New node. Am I right or not? And one more point. How to fill the data? Firoz, how to fill the data? I want you to fill the data. How to fill the data? Temp to data equal to 100. Neha, can you tell one more your favorite number? One more number. Neha Banu. 500 na? 7. Another number is the 7. So, Neha, may know 7, where it will store? Where it will store? 7 stored here na. Whatever the 7 we have, that is 7 stored here. Whatever the 7 is there, that's 7 stored here. Fine. Neha, and one more point. Here we need to store the address na. Am I right or not? Here we need to store the address. Whose address? Whose address? Another element address. See this one. Here we have the one more element na. See this one. In the future we have the one more element. That element address we should store here. Am I right or not? That element address we should store here. Reply everyone, guys. Whatever the element is there, that element address we should store here. But do we have any element? We don't have any element na. Do we have any element, guys? Everyone needed to tell. Do we have any element? No, we don't have any element. If no element, address is the null na. Nehaban address is the null or not? Null. But where is the null? Check the pentagram. Where is the null? Top is the null or not? Top is the null or not? How to fill it? Answer. How to fill it? Temp tempo dot link equal to tempo dot link equal to null. Automatically here which value will store? Which value will store? Null. Why? So are you people okay with this one? Are you people okay with this one? Still anyone feeling like difficulty? Let me know. If anyone feeling like difficulty, still let me know. Anyone know now? Yes. Now say this one. Still is our stack empty? Still is our stack empty? No, no. Our stack is not empty. Then you need to delete what? Null. Delete the null and update with what? Address. What's the address? 24. 24. How to fill? How to fill? Top equal to answer. Top equal to temp. Top equal to what? Temp. Top equal to temp. Automatically we can fill it. Guys, are you feeling happy, comfortable? Are you happy with this explanation? Can I go to the execution? Still, if anyone feeling like difficulty, then let me know. Then I will explain the code again. Okay, now can I continue? Can I continue with the execution of push operation? What once again? What once again? Satya Durga, you are saying once again. Fine. Now see this one. Can I go to the execution? Yes. Let me go to the execution. Any one of the IDE. We can use any one of the IDE, not an issue. As I think if you want to use the notepad also, you can use the notepad here. Satya Durga, you joined late now? You joined late now? Yes. Next one. Yes. Now see this one here. We can use the one compiler. Firoz, use it, guys. Don't dependent on my IDE. Never dependent on my IDE. Whatever the IDE you want to use, you can use that IDE. Online compiler, you can use it. Online compiler, you can use it. Guys, give the confirmation. Will you people use the online compiler? Use the online compiler. Or whoever have the basic knowledge on the Java code like VS Code, Notepad++, Edit plus any IDE, you can use any IDE, not an issue. Not an issue here. Yes. Now see this one. Guys, go to the one program. Go to the one program. Right click, new class. Right click, new class. Jaiba, I'm requesting you again. Jaiba, I'm requesting you again and again. Don't put your brain on the C, C++, Java, .NET, PHP or something. Please put your focus on the data structure understanding. Jaiba Shaker. I'm requesting you that one. That is our request from the XLR itself. Now say this one because already I told you at the beginning of the session 10 days back. Data structures not related to Python. Data structures not related to C. Data structures not related to C++. Data structures is the concept. After understanding this concept, you need to implement this concept in any one of the language. Then only we are the software developer. Fine. Now say this one. What is the name of the class? What is the name of the class? Stacks in a linked list. Stacks in a linked list. Go to which one? Main method. Go to the main method. Click one. Click the finish button. Yes. Guys, all the people do along with me. May I know, guys, how many members are doing? If few people are doing along with me, then I will give the sufficient time to you. If few people are doing along with me, then I'm ready to give the sufficient time to you. Yes. At least, guys, I'm expecting at least half of the batch. At least more than 50 members I'm expecting here. Then that is called the real learning, na? Hands-on practice. Na? Whoever watching on the YouTube also, I'm requesting you. Whoever watching on the YouTube also, I'm requesting you open any one of the IDE. How to create the node? Answer. How to create the node? Class node. Class node. This node contain what? Whatever the node we have, this node contain the two partitions. So what is the first partition? Int data. The first partition is the int data. Second partition is the node link. We have the second partition. The second partition is a node link. Do this one. Can I continue? Why are we using class? Archana, why are using class? Because class is nothing but the pointer. Class is nothing but the pointer. Shahil. Yes. Next one. Guys, whenever we create the stack, what is the top value? What's the top value? Reply. Top is the null. How we can take it? See this one. Static node top equal to null. Static node top equal to null. No need to initialize, but I'm initializing here. Shashikala, I'm requesting again here. -1 in the sense empty, stack representing empty. Stack representing empty. Null in the sense stack just created. Guys, what's the top initially? Guys, what's the top initially? Null. Whatever the top is there, that the top is the initially null. And another thing, Lakshmi see this one. We can call top dot data. We can call top dot link. We can call it top dot data and top dot link. We can call see this one. This is a top related to node na. This is a top related to the node. So we can call top dot data and we can call top dot link. No issue. Happily we can call it. Yes. Pramod, can I continue? Pramod. Yeah. How to take? Yes. How to take data dynamically? How to take data dynamically? I want to take data dynamically. How to take data dynamically? Scanner SC equal to new scanner of system dot in. Scanner SC equal to new scanner. Scanner SC equal to new scanner of system dot in. Automatically, we can take the user input to dynamically. Scanner SC equal to new scanner. Scanner SC equal to new scanner. Scanner SC equal to new scanner of system dot in. And one more pointer. Let me go for another pointer. We should go through the one more pointer. Let me go for the other point again. We should be in a position, guys. Take the user choice. Can you tell user choice how to take the user choice? Reply. While true. How many options we have? We have the 4 options. How to take the 4 options? Sys out of one dot insert. Next one. Sys out of answer 2 dot pop. Here sys out of say this one. Sys out of 3 dot traverse. 3 dot traverse. Sys out of 3 dot traverse. 3 dot traverse. Next one. Sys out of 4 dot exit. Sys out of what? Sys out of 4 dot exit. See this one. Sys out of push. Not insert here. It's recommended to stack now. Stack in the sense push. Sys out of push. Sys out of pop. Sys out of traverse and sys out of exit. Fine. Now take the user choice. I want to take the user choice. How we can take the user choice? Sys out of enter your choice. Enter your choice. Read the integer number. How we can read the integer number? Int ch equal to ssc dot next int. Int ch equal to ssc dot next int. Guys, I hope already you know this code now. Fine. Now, how to take the if else conditions? How we can take the if else conditions? Can anyone tell how we can take the if else condition? If ch equal to 1. If ch equal to 1, which operation? If ch equal to 1, which operation? Push operation. Next one, see this one. Else if else if ch equal to 2, which operation? Ch equal to 2, which operation? Pop operation. Next one, else if ch equal to 3, else if ch equal to 3, then which operation? Which operation? Tell me here. Which operation? Traverse operation. We need to go for the traverse operation. Guys, else if ch equal to 4. Which operation? Which operation? Exit operation. Now, how to work with exit here? Sys out of which one? Exit. Now, what you want to place? We need to go for the breakup. Simply, we need to go for the breakup. Next one, guys, go to the else condition. Go to the else condition here, sys out of which one? Invalid operation. Sys out of what? Sys out of, simply we need to go through the invalid operation. Fine. Guys, do the coding up to now. I'm requesting you. Attendance link na, Begum, Mahabunisha Begum, please drop out and join at 8:30. Mahabunisha Begum, please join. Begum, please drop out and please join at 8:30. Yeah, someone asked in the attendance link that people please drop it. Please drop the session and please join it at 8:30. Then you can get the attendance link. Then you can mark your attendance. Do up to now, guys. You people need to do the coding up to now. Neha Bano, code displayed on the screen. Please verify the code. Code displaying on the screen. You need to verify the code. Okay, na? Check that one. The code visible to you. Whatever the code we have, that code is visible to you. You need to verify your code with our code. Okay, now can I continue? Plus, can I expect at least half of the members? Or anyone doing just listening? Because we are providing the hands-on practice. Hands-on practice you need to execute along with me. Yes. Next, guys, go through the another thing. Go through the another thing. If it is a ch equal to 1, guys, we need to perform push operation. We need to perform push operation. If you want to perform push operation, first of all, if you want to perform push operation, guys, say this one. If you want to perform push operation, first of all, we need to read the element na. We need to read the element or not. We need to read the element. How we can read the element? Sys out, enter element. Sys out what? Sys out, enter element to push. Enter element to push. How to read it? How to read it? Can you answer? How to read it? Int element equal to SSC dot next int. Int element equal to SSC dot next int. Next one. Call one method. Call one method here. We need to call one method. Yeah. Begum, I think you are putting the Just guys, give me the 1 second. Mahabunisa Begum, ma'am, the attendance link will share at 8:30. You can drop the session. Drop the session, join at 8:30. And 60% attendance is enough. Just to count the out of 15, how many classes you need to join. Then XLR people, they will share the certificate to you. Okay, now then drop the session, drop the call, and please join at 8:30. Mahapunisha. Please drop the call. You need the attendance now. You need the attendance. Attendance link will open at 8:30. Please support us. Okay, now when you ask her that question, I'm giving your name also, Mahabunisa Begum, but it's keep on you are asking where is the attendance link. Fine. Next one. Guys, this one here. Here, I need to call one method. Which method we need to call? Element method. Here we need to call one method. That method we can call the element method. Say this one. So, guys, can I create the push method? Can I create the push method? Yes, I wanted to create the push method. How we can create the push method? How we can create the push method? Guys, can you tell me how we can create the push method? Anyone? Can you answer how we can create the push method? Can I create the push method after the main method? Yes. Try to create the push method after the main method. How we can create static, static void push method, push method. Static void push method. Here, can I pass the element here? We should be in a position we need to pass the element. Fine. Do up to now, guys. Do it faster. Do it fast, guys. You people need to do it. Guys, here itself. And can you tell the push logic? You people should tell the push logic. Yeah. How to create a push logic? Anyone? I want to create the push logic. How we can create a? Yeah. Can you tell the logic in the push? Guys, tell me. How to create one node? I want to create one node. Can anyone help me? How we can create the node? Node. Node. Node temp equal to node temp equal to which one? New node. Node temp equal to new node. Automatically we can create one node. Guys, this node divided into how many partitions? Whatever the node we have. Whatever the node we have, this node divided into how many partitions? Two partitions. Na? Whatever the node we have, that node divided into two partitions. Guys, 1 second. Whatever the node we have, that node divided into two partitions. Guys, how to, can you tell the first partition? What's the first partition? Anyone? What's the first partition? Temp data. Temp dot data equal to. Temp dot data equal to what? Temp dot data equal to element. Guys, after placing the temp dot data equal to element, can you explain again here? Temp dot link. Temp dot link equal to what? Anyone? Temp dot link equal to what? Temp dot link. Temp dot link equal to what? Null. Null in the sense what? Yeah. Jubilla, we will send the offer letter also. For your email ID, we will send the offer letter also. Fine. Next one, say this one. Tempo.link equal to answer. Tempo.link equal to not null, we need to pass the top. Yes or not? Top. Next one. And another thing. Can you tell the another thing here? Can you tell the another thing here, guys? Anyone? And remove the top, guys. How to place the top? Tell me. Top equal to what? Top equal to temp. We need to pass the top equal to temp. Top equal to temp. Yes or not? And display some message. I want to display some message. How we can display the message? System dot outer println of element pushed successfully. Element pushed successfully. Guys, whoever doing the coding along with me, please implement this logic. Whoever implementing along with me, just to take the 5 minutes of time, then do the coding along with me. Everyone needed to do that one. So I will wait for the 2 more minutes. Everyone needed to do that one. Susmita, change to Susmita. If you are available, can you change the permission to the chat? Like, don't give the everyone permission because they're sending the different messages in the group. Please make it as a one-to-one chat, like direct to host or co-host. Guys, it will be helpful, guys. At least basic level, it will be helpful to you. Am I right or not? Basic level, it will be helpful to you, guys. It will be helpful to you, no doubt at all. But I'm hearing some funny questions in our group. 2 members they're sending the sir where is attendance link, but I am putting the focus on the how to implement stack in the linked list, and some people they're asking where is the attendance list, and already I given the answer 2 times. Attendance link will open at 8:30, but still they are sending the message, sir where is the attendance link? Yes, and one more person sending like, are we getting the any placement? One more person sending that message, but instead of putting the focus on the program, instead of putting the focus on the program, they done with the different messages. Fine. Now, guys, can I go for the simple program? Can I go to the third one? What's the third one? Can you tell the third one? Can you explain? What's the third one? Displaying now. Guys, displaying now. I want to go to the display operation. It's a simple. Display is a simple. Firoz, we will do that one. Yeah, displaying because it displays the simple. So that's why I'm doing that one. So call one method. Which method we need to call? Call one method. Which method we need to call? Display method. We should be in a position. We need to call one method. That method we can call the display method. Guys, can we explain how to call the display method? How to create the display method? Anyone? Can anyone tell me how to create the display method? Can I create the display method here? Can I create the display method here? Yes, sir. Static void display. Static void display. Automatically, we are able to create the display method. Whatever the display method is there, that display method we are able to create. Voice. And parallelly do the second one also. Parallelly do the second one also. What's the second operation? Can you tell the second operation, anyone? Second operation is the pop operation. We have the second operation. The second operation is the pop operation. Fine. How to create the pop method? Answer. How to create the pop method? Answer. How to create the pop method? Static. Static void. Which method? Pop method. Static void pop method. Okay. Guys, see this one. If no element, assume this one. If no element, if element not available, can I do the displaying process? Can we perform displaying? If no element, can I perform the display operation? No, we can't perform the display operation. If no element, if element not available, we can't perform display operation. Yes or not? How to check it? How to check it? I need the code from you. You people need to tell the code from you. I'm expecting the code. If no element, we can't perform the display operation. Now, tell the logic also. I'm expecting logic from you people. I'm expecting the logic from you people. Anyone? If right answer, if top, if top answer, if top equal to none. If top equal to none, and else is the different. Else in the sense elements are available. Elements are available. Now tell me how to place it. Sys out, sys out. Stack is empty. Stack is empty. Guys, can I copy the same code to the pop also? Can I copy the same code to the pop also? Yes or not? Yes. Both are the same. Do it. Do it, guys. Do it faster. Both same na. The word is different, but both are the same. Modify SSL code and DLL code now. May know what is SSL code and DLL code? SSL code and DLL code, I don't know that one. Dynamic linked list, single linked list na. What I need to modify? Modify single linked list code and DLL code, double linked list code. Where I need to modify? Can you tell? In the previous code, you were saying the previous code na? You are saying the previous code now. No, it's not possible. There we don't have any nodes now because we can't modify that code. We can't modify the previous code. No, it's not possible. Yes. Next one. Guys, see this one. If not, what happened? How to display the data? I will tell you how we can display the data. Guys, see this one. This is one stack. Guys, everyone need to do that. This is what? This is one stack. Whatever we have, this one we can call one stack. Whatever we have, this one we can call the stack. Guys, in this stack, assume this one. In this stack, what is the top value initially? Reply. Guys, if you understand this diagram, then you know how to display all the nodes. Now, guys, here we have one node. Here we have one node. This is the node 1. This is the node 2. This is the node 2. Next one, this is the node 3. Assume here. This is the node 3 and this is the node 4. 4 nodes are there. Tell the addresses also. Each node contain the address. Na? Can you tell the addresses also? What are the addresses here? 2400. Next one, what's the another address? What is the another address? 2600. And what is the another address? What is the another address? 2800. What is the another address? Can you tell the one more address again? We have the one more address. What is that address? We have the one more address. That address we can call the 3000. 2400, 2600, 2000, 2800 and 3000. Guys, each node divide it into how many partitions? Each node divide it into how many partitions? Two partitions. Guys, try to put more focus on this logic. If you are able to put more focus on this logic, then you are able to understand. So this is the partition 1, this is the partition 2, and this is the partition 3, and this is the partition 4. Yes or not? Guys, say this one. Here, in this partition, what you are expecting? Here data is the assume here data is the 10. Guys, in this link, what we are expecting? Tell me what we are expecting. We are expecting 2600. 2600. And guys, this null, whatever the null is there, null deleted and null updated with what? 2400. Guys, I will teach slowly. If you are okay with each step, then give the confirmation. Otherwise, don't ask me after completing the diagram. Never ask me after completing the diagram. If you are okay this one, then I will continue. Okay, now guys, see the another thing. One more thing is the see the another thing. Guys, here what is the data? What is the data? 20. Guys, here what you wanted to store? Guys, here what you wanted to store? Anyone? What you wanted to store? 2800. 2800. Guys, delete what? Delete what? 2400 and update with what? And update with what? 2600. And update with what? 2600. Guys, can you tell the data here? Can you tell the data here? The data is the 30 here. Here we have the data is the 30 here. Guys, can you tell the address here? Which address you want to store? Which address you want to store? Address is the 3000. Address is the 3000 here. Now, guys, delete 2600. Delete 2600 and updated with what? Delete 2600 and updated with what? And updated with the 2800. Guys, I'm drawing the diagram slowly. If you have the confusion, ask middle of the diagram. Never ask me at the end of the diagram. Now, guys, say this one. And one more thing is the, guys, we have the one more node. We have the one more node here. Try to say this one. We have the one more node here. Can you tell? Firoz, while inserting the data, this one will happen here. Now, can you tell the answer here? Here, what you wanted to place? Here, we need to place the 40. Guys, here, what you wanted to place? Here, what you wanted to place? We need to place the null. At the end, we have the null or not? At the end, we have null. Guys, delete what? Delete what? We need to delete what? 2800. And updated with what? And updated with what? 3000. Finally, guys, finally, top contain what? Finally, top contain what? Anyone? Finally, top contain the 3000. Finally, top value contain what? Finally, top value contain the 3000 here. Guys, can you tell the internal connection also? Can you tell the internal connection also? Say this one. Can you tell the internal connection? This node. This node linked to this node now. This node linked to this node or not? Whatever the node we have, this node linked to this node. And guys, say this one. And another thing. And another thing is the guys, this node, whatever the node is there, this node linked to this node now. Whatever the node we have, this node linked to this node. And guys, whatever the node we have, this node linked to this node now. This node linked to this node, am I right or not? This node linked to this node here. Whatever the node is there, that node linked here. Whatever the node we have, that node linked here. Guys, if you don't mind, take the diagram, take the pen and paper and draw the diagram. Draw the diagram in our own. Don't draw like that. While inserting the data, you need to analyze it, then you need to do it. Do it faster. Guys, take the diagram. What to do, sir? Draw diagram. Firoz, can you ask again? Firoz, can you ask again? If you're interested, draw the diagram, otherwise leave it, Firoz. I'm not understanding. What is the use of this diagram, Firoz? Your question is what is the use of this diagram? Na? Guys, don't copy blindly, guys. Never copy this diagram blindly. While drawing the diagram, you need to understand internal flow. Internal flow, how is happening internally. Guys, I'm expecting at least half of the members to execute this code. Half of the members I'm expecting. Aman, correct one, diagram correct one, Aman. Aman, diagram correct only. Above node address available in the below node. This is the stack, in the stack, the diagram will be like that one. Exactly. Guys, I will write some logic, then you need to understand. First, let me write some logic, then you people can understand. Yes, sir. Jignasha, you joined late na? Jignasha? Jigyasha Patra, you joined late na session? Jigyasha. You are asking push operation, Jigyasha. Let me complete this program, then I will tell you. Let me tell this program, then I will tell you. Fine. Now say this one. Guys, whatever the top value is there, whatever the top, we have the top na, guys. We have the 3000 is the top na. Yes or not? The top value stored to one temporary node. How we can store? Node temp equal to answer. Node temp equal to what you wanted to place? Node temp equal to top. See this one. Whatever the guys got it now. Got the clarity or not? Reply. Guys, whatever the top value. What's the top value? What's the top value answer? What's the top value? Top value 3000. Top value is the 3000. Na? So the top element of store to whatever the top element is there, the top element of store to temp. Guys, now move up to the null na, because anyhow in our stack we have the null or not. In our stack we have the null or not. Do we have null or not in our stack? Yes, we have the null. Move up to the null. Move up to the null. How we can move? Move temp not equal to temp not equal to. Now see this one here. Temp not equal to null. Guys, so what's the meaning of this while condition? Guys, what's the meaning of this while condition? Moving up to the null. Moving up to the null. All the nodes, guys. I want to traverse through all the nodes. While moving, read the data na. While moving, I want to read the data. How we can read the data? Yeah, system.out println of which one we need to place? Temp.data. Temp.data. Guys, and we need to go for the I plus plus na increment is there na. Yeah, we have the I plus plus na. Guys, it's a pop method. It's wrong here. It's wrong, then place it here. It's wrong, then place the correct place. Yes, so guys, say this one. And we need to display the data na. Answer. We need to display the data na. Yes, we need to display the data. Whatever the data we have, that data we need to display. How we can display the data? How we can display the data? Tempo data data na. Tempo data data automatically variable to display the data. And we need to move to next element na. We need to move to the next node or not. Node 1, node 2, node 3. We need to move or not. Yes, we need to move. So this is the node na. This is the node or not. This is the node. How we can move to the another node? Guys, temp equal to temp dot link. Temp equal to temp dot link. Very, very simple, guys. Say this one. This one is nothing but coming to your level of understanding I plus plus kind of thing. This one we can call the I plus plus kind of thing. One. Guys, I'm repeating again. You need to understand again. Try to say this one repeating again. Guys, if a top equal to null, guys, if a top equal to null, what is the meaning? If a top equal to null, what is the meaning? Meaning is the respond. If a top equal to null, what is the meaning? No element available. No element available here. Next one, guys. Otherwise, what we need to see? Whatever the top element is there. Whatever the top element is there. Here we have the top element na. Whatever the top element is there, that top element we need to store what? Temp. We need to store what? Temp. Top element. Whatever the top element is there, that top element we need to store to temp. And say this one. What is the meaning? Anyhow, in our stack contain the null. Traverse up to the null. While traversing here tempo.data, I wanted to read that data here. Next one here, move to the next node. Move to the next node. Simply, I wanted to move to the next node. If you wanted to move to the next node, temp equal to tempo.link. Temp equal to tempo.link here. First of all, write it. I will provide the review again here. This code review once again I will provide. That's the point. Add the space. Where I need to add the space? Here, no need to add the space. Go ahead. Srivastav, first of all, execute the code, then I will provide the code again. Srivastav, say this one. This is the address or not? Tempo.link means address or not? Srivastav. Tempo.link means address or not? Say yes or no. That address I'm assigning to the node na. While moving, we are assigning to node or not? Then think a little bit smart, then you can get the clarity. Do it fast, guys, then I will provide the clarity again. I hope what happened was today, so many people are feeling like difficulty. Is it difficult today? Are you feeling like difficult in the today's session? Guys, let me execute only these two operations. Yeah, let me provide these two operations. Jigyasha, cool. I will explain the flow again to you to understand yourself. Now, let me explain the flow again. Let me explain the code again. I think only two operations are working or not. I need to check. If it is working, then I need to go for the pop operation. Now, guys, say this one. Which operation you wanted to do? 1. Guys, which element you wanted to push? 10. Guys, say this one. Which operation you wanted to perform? 1. Which operation you wanted to push? 20. Which operation you wanted to perform? 1. Which element you wanted to push? 30. Which operation you wanted to perform? 1. Which element you wanted to push? 40. Which one you wanted to perform? 1. Which one you wanted to perform? 50. Guys, what is our choice? Third one, 3. Guys, are we people able to display the data? Are we people able to display the data? Answer. Yes, we are able to display the data. Simply, we are able to display the data here. Am I right or not? And simply, we are able to display the data. Whatever the data we have, the data we are able to display here. Fine. Yeah. Once again, you need to tell us. Srivastu, I'm asking you. Srivastu, I'm asking you. Srivastu, I'm asking you. Can you please tell here? What is the meaning of this code? You asked, sir, what is the meaning of this code? Srivastu, you asked me, sir, what is the meaning of this code? Can you tell what's the meaning of this code? Moving to the next node, na? Moving to the next node or not? Can anyone tell me? Moving to the next node, na? Yes or not? So, pop in the sense, sir. So, pop in the sense, we need to move to the next node, na? Pop in the sense, we need to move to the next node or not? Pop, what is the pop? Move to the next node. Am I right or not? We need to move to the next node. So that is called as the pop. So how to provide the data here? Sys out of element popped successfully. Which element popped successfully? Can you tell which element popped successfully? Top element or not? Top dot data. After popping the element, assume here how to move to next node? How to move to next node? Same code. How to move to the next node? Because I don't need that node. How to move to the next node? Top minus minus. What is the top minus minus? Temp equal to? Tell me. Tell me here. Not temp. Top equal to? Top equal to? Answer. Top equal to top dot link. Top equal to top dot link. The meaning is the, Srivastu, see this one. The meaning is the moving to the below element. Moving to the next element. Moving to which element? Next element. Which element? Top element. I want to move top to the next level. Top to the next level. Then this process we can call the pop operation. Yes. Now run this one. If it is working here, I think 3 to 4 members are feeling like difficulty. Further people, I need to provide the rough idea with the paint diagram. Fine. Now, guys, what's the operation? 1. Which element you want to enter? 1. 20. And what is your operation? 1. Garbage collector will free up automatically. Next one. Here, which element you wanted to push? 20. What is your operation? 1. Which element you wanted to push? 30. What is your operation? 1. Which element you wanted to push? 40. What is our choice? 1. Which element you wanted to push? 50. Guys, traverse all the elements. How to traverse all the elements? 3. Guys, automatically we will traverse all the elements, na? Tell me, automatically we will traverse all the elements or not? We are able to traverse all the elements. Okay. Next one. Guys, perform the pop operation. Perform the pop operation. What is our choice? 2. Yes. Which element popped? Which element popped? 50 popped here. Now, go to your choice here. Yes, automatically we are able to say the 50, 30, 20, 10. Fine. Guys, take the 2 minutes of time and execute the logic here. Once you execute the logic, whatever the operations are, those operations I need to explain with the like a paint diagram again here. Do it faster. Just to give the chance to the other people also, they will execute the code. Guys, how many members are able to run? Are able to execute? Firoz, I will tell you. Firoz, I can understand your problem. I will tell you. In the paint diagram, I will tell you. Benefit in the sense, Amana. Benefit in the sense, then we can write it like we can hold one element address to the another element. Instead of element here, Aman, instead of element here, in that element we have the previous node address also. Give the 5 minutes to all the people, give the 5 minutes to all the people, they will run the code. Wait for 5 minutes, guys. Don't go for the hurry, wait for the 5 minutes. Just to give me 5 minutes of time also. We can, Aman, we can. You are writing the, you are saying the optimization code, that is also possible. Srivastav, the screen visible to you now? Once a screen is visible, then you can check the code. Give me the 5 minutes of time, boys. Yes, guys. So are you able to execute the code successfully? Guys, I will provide, guys, I will provide a brief idea. I will provide the brief idea. This code again, rough idea, just 10 minutes. I want to take the most time. And how many members need the revision of this one? How many members need the revision of this code? At least, if more than 2 to 3 members are there, then I will tell you. Revision of this code, guys. Anyone need a rough idea? Shwani? Just 10 minutes, guys. I won't take the much time, then let me take the 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, I need to explain the classical. Jigyasha, please respond. Jigyasha, I think after the explanation, not possible to tell again here. Jigyasha, say this one. Here, this is one stack. Guys, don't stuck here. So many people, they are stuck in here. I don't know why you are stuck in here. Think a little bit smarter. This is a stack. Jikasha, this is the stack. Whenever we create the stack, what is the top value? Whenever we create the stack, what is the top value? Top value equal to null. Jikasha, what's the top value? Top value equal to null. Are you okay with this one? Whenever we create the stack, automatically top value is the null. Fine. And another thing. Srivastava, understand yourself. Now, say the another thing. One more thing is I want to create one node. I want to create one node. This node divided into two partitions. Whatever the node we have, that node divided into two partitions. Yes or not? Fine. This node also contain the address. Whatever the node we have, that node also contain the address. Whatever the node we have, that node also contain the address. What is the address we have? What is the address we have? Answer. What is the address? Address is the 4800. Okay, now Jikasha, tell me how to create one node. Jikasha, tell me how to create one node. Node temporary node equal to new node. Node created now. Node created. Jikasha, in this temp. For example, temp means what? Can you tell what the temp means? Temp means 4800. You need to remember that point. Temp means what, Jikasha? Temp means 4800. You need to remember that point. Got the clarity or not? Temp means 4800. Are you okay? Yes. Now, see the another thing. One more thing is how to store the data. I want to store the data. How we can store the data? How we can store the data? Temp dot data equal to 100. Temp dot data equal to 100. Whenever we created the 100, this 100 stored to where? This 100 stored to where? Anyone need to tell this 100, whatever the 100 we have, that 100 stored to whatever the 100 we have, that 100 stored to data part. Automatically 100 stored here. Got it or not? Fine. Now I will tell you. Jikasha, do we have any other node? Any other node on top of this node? Say yes or no. On top of this node, do we have any other node? No. If no node, you need to store the null here. Am I right or not? If no node available, you need to store the null. Jikasha, respond. Yes, a null. But where is the null? Top already null, na? Top is already null, na? Yes or not? How to store it? Temp dot link equal to top. Are you getting clarity now? Yes, guys. And one more point. One more point is is our stack still empty? After inserting one node, still is it empty? No, it's not empty. So this null should replace with the address. What is that address? 4800. What is that address? The address is the 4800 Feroz. That address is the 4800. How we can upload? How we can update? Top equal to what? Temp. Top equal to temp. Are you okay? Are you okay, Kirana? Madam, Mehabunisa, madam. I'm getting a little bit embarrassing by seeing that statement like attendance. I hope I seen that message around 50 times from you. Please drop it, madam. Still, you need to wait for the time. So drop the session now. Yes, guys. Now, and one more point. Guys, here I have the number of nodes. Node 5, next one. Node 5, next one. Node 4, next one. Node 3, next one. Node 2. Node 2. Okay, now fine. How to perform the pop operation? For example, see this one. You people need to do that. Here, this is the 5000. This is the 5000, and this is the what? 5200, and this is the what? This is the what? 5,400. 5,400. And this is what? This is the 5,600. This is the what? This is the 5,600. Whatever we have, this one we can call the 5,600. Guys, say this one. Top, guys, coming to the top. Can you tell the top changes? Initially, what is the top? Null. That a null replaced with what? That null replaced with what? 4,800. 4,800 replaced with what? Answer. 4,800 replaced with what? Anyone? Anyone? 5,000. That 5,000. That 5,000 replaced with what? That 5,000 replaced with what? Anyone? That 5,000 replaced with the 5,200. Next one. That 5,200 replaced with what? Replaced with what? 5,400. That 5,400 replaced with what? 5,600. Am I right or not? Am I right or not? But see this one. Pop in the sense. Firoz, you are getting the confusion here. Pop in the sense. You wanted to delete this element now? You wanted to delete or not? And after deleting, what's the top value? Top equal to 4,500 now. Yes or not? Yes or not? Yes. How to decrease that top value? I want to decrease that top value. How we can decrease that top value here? Guys, coming to your level of understanding is the top minus minus. Am I right or not? Yes or not? But that is our level of understanding. But here, top equal to top dot link. Top equal to top dot link. Whenever we call the top dot link here, this top equal to top dot link. Internally, we can call the top minus minus only. The shortcut code I'm saying here. Are you okay? Are you okay, guys? Yes. Next one. And one more point. Guys, how to move from one node to another node? I want to jump from one node to another node. I want to move from top node to this node, this node to this node, this node to this node. How to moving, not to deleting. How to move it? I wanted to move it. If you wanted to move, guys, temp equal to temp dot link. Temp equal to temp dot link. Temp equal to temp dot link here. Automatically we can move from one node to the another node here. Yes, fine. Guys, if anyone interested, guys, take this rough explanation diagram also. If anyone interested. 2 minutes, guys. I'll get the 2 minutes of time to you. Then take this rough diagram also. Firoz, give the other people also. Firoz, give the other people also. Srivastav, still confusion, na? Definitely, Srivastav. I think you need to do the more practice on the this one. Guys, am I right or not? Data structures not listening. After listening the session, after catching the concept, after listening the session, after catching the concept, then you need to spend some time. One of the powerful topic in the market now. This is one of the powerful topic for the not only academic students, guys. It's one of the powerful student for the a powerful topic for the working employees also. Guys, it's not easy, guys. So don't think like in the single shot you can get it. After the session, you people need to do more hard work. Do it fast, do it fast. Once if you do it fast, okay, then I need to go for the one more example. Yes, guys. I will try to explain double linked list with some paint diagram. And after the session, will you people try to implement that code? Simple code, very simple code. Will you try to implement that code? Reply. Yes. How we can do that one? 1 second, guys. No, guys. You know double linked list. Do you know double linked list? Answer double linked list. So what is a double linked list? Double linked list contain answer. Double linked list contain previous node address and next node address. Double linked list contain previous node address and previous node address and next node address also. So that is the double linked list. How to add one node at a beginning? I want to add one node at a beginning. At the beginning of the answer. I want to add one node at the beginning here. How we can add? Go ahead, say this one. For example, this is one node. Go ahead, sir. This is the another node. This is the another node here. Go ahead, sir. And this is the one more node. Go ahead, sir. Here how many nodes are there? Answer here, how many nodes are there? 3 nodes are there. Assume this one. Can you tell the address of this fellow also? Can you tell the address of this person? 1000. Can you tell the address of this fellow? 2000. Can you tell the address of this fellow? What is the address of this fellow? 3000. 1000. Next one is the 2000. Next one is the 3000. How many nodes we have? Answer. How many nodes we have? We have the 3 nodes. One is the 1000, another thing is the 2000, and another thing is the 3000. So each node divided into 3 partitions. Each node divided into 3 partitions or not? Each node divided into 3 partitions. So say this one. This is the partition 1. This is the partition 2, and partition 3. And here also coming to third node also. This is the partition 1. This is the partition 1. Next one. This is the partition 2 and a partition 3. Partition 1, partition 2, and a partition 3. Guys, just insert some dummy data also. Why not? Happily, we can insert some dummy data also. What's the data I need to insert here? What's the data I need to insert here? The data is the 10. Next one is that data is the 20. And the data is the, what's the data here? The data is the 30 here. Guys, here, do we have any other node here? Do we have any other node here? No. So that's why we have null. Guys, do we have any other node? Do we have any other node? No, that's fine null. Guys, and already I told you either single linked list or double linked list or circular linked list. It contains the root or not. It contains the root or not. What's the root value? What is the root value? Root value is the 1000 here. Here we have the root value. The root value is the 1000 is the root value. Am I right or not? And another thing, guys, here value. You should tell what's the value? 2000. Guys, here value. Here value, you should tell, don't not money, not only Tarun, some people, everyone need to tell. What is the value? Value is the 1000. Guys, here, what is the value? What is the value? Value is the answer. What is the value? Value is the 3000. Guys, what is the value? Answer. What is the value? Value is the 2000. Value is the 2000. Say this one. Here, very simple. This node address stored here. This node address stored here. And here, this node address stored here. Am I right or not? Guys, this node address stored here. Whatever the node we have, this node address stored here. And here also, whatever the node we have, this node address stored here. Whatever the node we have, then this node address stored here. Whatever the node we have, that node address stored here. Am I right or not? Yes. Whatever the node we have, that node address stored here. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not? Guys, now tell me here. You people need to tell. I wanted to insert one node before, add before. Say this one. I wanted to add one node. Guys, say this one. What I need to add? I want to add one node here. Guys, can I continue? Can I continue? Are you able to listen? Are you able to listen, guys? So if you're able to listen, then I will continue. If you're feeling like a overheating, then I will stop it. Can I continue? Just to 10 minutes. I don't want it the much time. Here. Yes, next one. Here. Here I need to go to the, here I wanted to go to the, at least let me explain theoretically. Fine. I wanted to go to the new node. Okay, so where you want to add the new node? Where you wanted to add the new node? Beginning or not? I wanted to add the new node at the beginning or not? Yes, I wanted to add the new node at the beginning. Guys, what is the address of it? Can you tell the address of it? What is the address of it? The address is the 4000 or not? Can you tell the address here? What is the address here? Address is the 4000. Guys, what is the data here? Guys, what is the data here? Data is the 40 here. Data is the 40 here. Guys, can you tell the links also here? Guys, can you tell the links also here? Links. Can you tell the links here? So this is the first link na? Reply. This is the first link na? Yes, sir, this is the first link. This is the first link. Whatever we have, this is the first link here. So guys, first link in the sense. First link in the sense, delete what? Delete what? Answer. Delete what? Null. Reply. Delete what? Null. That null you need to update with what? Money. Guys, give at least 100 members I'm expecting here. I'm not expecting all the people. At least 25% of the class I'm expecting here. Delete null. And delete null here. And we need to place what? Delete null. After deleting what you wanted to place here. After deleting what you wanted to place here, we need to place the 4000. Fine. Yeah, once again, okay. Susmita, don't give the chat option to all the people. Sushmita, please make it as a host or co-host. Susmita.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah. Now say this one here. Delete the null. We need to delete the null here. And that null we need to replace with what? That null we need to replace with the 4000. So guys, this is the step number 1. This is step number 1. Yes, guys, can you tell the step number 2? Can you tell the step number 2? This address we should store here, na? This address we should store here or not? Reply. This address we should store here. Which address I need to store? Which address I need to store? Anyone? Which address I need to store? 1000 I need to store here. So can I say this is the second one? Can I say this is the second step? Yes, I can say this is the second step here. Yes, guys, tell the third one. I'm expecting the third one from you. I'm expecting the third one. What's the third connection? Third connection. What's the third connection? Guys, whatever the 4000 we have, whatever the 4000 we have, that 4000 we need to update here or not? Whatever the 4000 we have, that 4000 we need to update here. Am I right or not? Am I right or not? So that 4000 I need to update here. Delete what? Delete what? 1000. Delete 1000 and we need to update with what? We need to update with what? Anyone? We need to update with what? 4000. We need to update with what? Simply we need to update with the 4000. And another thing. One more thing is the, guys, can I say this node is the temporary node? Can I say this node is the temporary node? Say yes or no. This node is the temporary node. Fine. Can you tell the class also? Can you tell the corresponding class also? Tell the corresponding class. How you can create the class? Class node. Fine. Guys, here what you wanted to take? Into data. Am I right or not? Into data or not, guys? Into data or not? Into data. Next one. How many links we required? How many links we required? 2 links. Next link, back link. Yes or not? So how to place it? How to place it? Answer. How to place it here? We need to place it here. Simply we need to place node. Node what you wanted to place? Node. Here we need to place the right. Next one. Node what you wanted to place? Node we need to place the left here. And can I close the node here? Yes, let me close the node here. I wanted to close the node here. Yes, guys. Node class contain how many variables? Node class contain how many variables? 3 variables. Node class contain the 3 variables. Am I right or not? Node class contain the 3 variables. One is the int data, node right, node left. Firoz, try to say this one. Firoz, now you need to tell. Do the step number 1. Do the step number 1. What's the step number 1? What is the step number 1? What's the step number 1? Tempo dot, right or not? Tell me, tempo dot right. In the tempo dot right, you need to store the 1000. Where is the 1000? Where is the 1000? Answer, where is the 1000? Check the diagram. Where is the 1000? No, where is the 1000 initially? 1000 at root or not? 1000 at root here. Once again, I'm saying, guys, once again, I'm saying here, listen, guys, once again, I'm saying here. Guys, is it a temp? Is it a temp? Say yes or no. Is it a temp or not? Yes, it's a temp. Is it a right or not? Aman, is it right or not? Yes, this is the right. So if it is a right, temp dot right equal to 1000. Where is the 1000? Where is the 1000? Initially, root is the 1000 or not? Root is the 1000 here. So simply, I need to place the root here. Yes, guys. Link 1 completed successfully na? Link 1 completed successfully na? Yes, link 1 completed successfully here. Yes, are you okay or can I explain this point again? Are you people okay or can I explain this point again? Okay na? Fine. Anyone guys? If anyone feeling like a difficulty, let me know, then I will tell that one. Yes. Swami calculate say this one. Now, guys, simple logic. Then think a little bit smarter. Guys, if can I consider this node is the root node? Yes or not? Can I consider this node is the root node? Beginning means a root na. It's a root or not? Beginning means this is the root node. Am I right or not? Yes. Programmatically, how to check it? Programmatically, how to check it? I need to check programmatically. How we can check? If say this one here, root not equal to null. If root not equal to null, guys, what is the meaning? If root equal to root not equal to null, say this one here. Here I can say this is the root node here. Guys, so now don't call the root node, don't call the temp node here. Now I can say this is the root node here. In the root node, we need to take left na. We can take the left or not? Yes or not? Left. In the left, what you wanted to store? In the left, what you wanted to store? In the left, what you wanted to store? Null or not? In the left, we need to store the null here. Simply, we need to pass what? Null. And another thing, guys, and another thing. Here, root we need to update na. Root we need to update with the 4000. How I can update with the 4000? Root equal to what? Root equal to temp. Root equal to what? Root equal to temp. Root equal to temp here automatically we can update it here. At least can I expect at least half of the members they can got the clarity on this flow? Can I expect at least some members, not all the people, at least some members are getting some little bit awareness regarding this one? Firoz? Anyone guys? Yes, guys, draw this rough diagram also. Draw that only that points you need to take it up. Can you please display the before program? Yes, Aswini. Can I upload that code to the Google Drive? Aswini, I will upload that code to the Google Drive. One second, just wait. Let me share this diagram. Are you happy, guys? Today's session, are you okay? Give your valuable feedback, guys. Did you understand something today? Give the reply. Only 10 members are giving the reply. Yes, guys. Guys, I sent the code. I sent the code. Please download that code. I sent that code. Please download that code and please practice that code. Now, without practicing, you can't get guys. Without practicing, you can't understand. I can give the guarantee to you because it's not like a C language, a C++ Java here. No, it's a data structures. Without practicing, you can't get the clarity. But within the given time, then I'm trying my best level to cover the rough idea of overview of these data structures. Guys, I'm giving one assignment to you. You people need to prepare the clear-cut documentation for the clear-cut diagram for the add in middle also. Add in middle also. You need to create a diagram for an add in middle also. I need to add one node in middle also. I'm expecting that diagram from you. Can I expect that diagram in the Monday class? Whoever watching in the YouTube, guys, so whoever watching in the YouTube, I'm expecting the complete diagram in the Monday session. You people need to do the complete diagram. Logic also, Firoz, logic also, diagram and logic both. Okay, now, fine. Now, guys, I'm end of the session here. Susmita, you can hand over the session. If any questions are there, please clear the questions from the audience.
Yeah, sure. So students, again, I am posting the attendance link. If you have not marked your attendance, kindly mark your attendance. We'll wait for 2 minutes. Wait for some time. Kindly mark your attendance. And if you have any like concern or queries, you can just ask me out. So about the next training, we will update you soon, okay? Yes, if you are filling the attendance every day, you will get the attendance. So you don't need to worry. So whatever the link which I have shared you, kindly mark your attendance with the valuable feedback. So the students are asking for the React JS course is available. So it is not yet decided. Once it's decided, we'll let you know. We'll update you on the same. I hope you all mark your attendance. Guys, I hope you all mark your attendance. Well, by the end of the day. So we'll again meet at by tomorrow. Okay. Sorry, not tomorrow. Well, the class is on Monday. Okay. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow you don't have the class. Again, we'll meet on Monday. Okay. Thank you all. Good night.